各位同學你哋好，歡迎收睇我哋 Zen Art B Club Channel。我係教英文科嘅 Miss 英，今日同大家傾個英文文法題目 Present Perfect Tense 現在完成式。好多人都覺得好難，其實掌握咗關鍵就好易用。我哋一齊輕鬆學下啦。咩係 Present Perfect Tense？ 其實呢個時式係用嚟講過去發生嘅事，但同現在有關聯。佢嘅結構好簡單 ，subject 加 have 或 has 加過去分詞 past participle。例句：我已經食咗飯 ，I have eaten dinner。佢已經做完功課 ，He has finished his homework。幾時要用？記住三大用法。第一個情況係經驗或經歷，而句子冇講事情係幾時發生。例句：我去過日本3次 ，I have been to Japan 3 times。呢句冇講明邊一年去，只係講有呢個經歷。呢個情況大家記得要用 present perfect tense。第二個情況當事情啱啱完成，通常會係句字度見到 just、already 或 yet。例句：我啱啱沖完涼 ，I have just taken a shower。你睇咗套戲未啊 ？Have you already watched the movie？ 記得見到 just、already 或 yet 通常會用 present perfect tense。第三個情況由過去持續到而家，常用 for 或者 since。例句：我識咗佢10年 ，I have known him for 10 years。佢自從2020年就住喺香港 ，She has lived in Hong Kong since 2020。記得見到 for 或者 since， 通常會用 present perfect tense。依家我哋一齊做下相關嘅練習。Fill in the blanks。1. She visit France 3 times. 1. She visit France 3 times. 2. They complete their project already. 2. They complete their project already. 我哋一齊對答案。1. She has visited France 3 times. 2. They have completed their project already. 第二部分是非題，判斷下面句子是否正確，啱嘅話寫 T true， 錯嘅話寫 F false。1. I have saw that movie before. 1. I have saw that movie before. 2. He has finished his homework. 2. He has finished his homework. 對答案 1. I have saw that movie before. False. 錯誤 F 原因，正確嘅形式應該係 I have seen that movie before。動詞 C 嘅不規則過去分詞係 seen， 而唔係 saw。現在完成式嘅結構係主詞加 have 或 has 加過去分詞。2. He has finished his homework. True 正確。第三部分選擇題 1. They has or have been friends since childhood. 1. They has or have been friends since childhood. 2. I has or have just eaten lunch. 2. I has or have just eaten lunch. 我哋一齊對答案。1. They have been friends since childhood. 2. I have just eaten lunch. 提大家 subject 係 I, you, we， 哋要用 have。He, she, it 要用 has。Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value, by Albert Einstein。今日同大家分享到呢度，如果大家想學多啲， 記得讚好、訂閱同分享 RB Club eGather。See you。